Looking for a theme park mixed with a shopping mall? Then look no further. Here we are at the brand new HAPPiTAT, not Habitat, HAPPiTAT, where your dreams come true, just like in Disneyland. This place is the most colourful theme park atmospheric place in Bangkok that we have come across. And it's also the place where the cutest 7-Eleven in the world is, which we're going to go and explore along with the whole place itself. It looks insane from the outside. I can only imagine it's going to get better from the inside. So let's go. We've started hearing Disneyland theme music, no exaggeration there. James has actually got so excited that he's gone in to see what that's all about and where it's coming from exactly. So we're going to head in now.
Hi, how are you?
This place truly is magical. It's literally like Disneyland and a shopping mall combined. It is insane. I've never seen anything like it, and I've certainly never seen a shopping mall like this one. I feel like I'm in a dream world. Oh my gosh. So overall, you can still see that this shopping mall is being developed. There are a lot of shops that aren't yet open. So hopefully when we come back to Thailand, which is hopefully sooner rather than later, there will be a lot more that's open. But the decor is incredible. The architecture is amazing. James, what do you think?
It's like paying for early access to a construction site.
It is actually like early access in a way, but not to a construction site, although some of it is technically under construction.
Okay, I do like that the building is solid gold, as in like just metallic gold. It looks very, very nice. And but downstairs there are drivable elephants. You can drive them. They're really cool.
I think you might be going on a ride down there.
My name's James, and my kidnapped is looking after me very, very well. Her name's Lucy. Before I knew it this morning, I was gagged and blindfolded and put into a taxi and brought to yet another shopping mall and told that I had to navigate someone around. I am doing well. Mum, thanks for asking.
There are plenty of photo opportunities here, guys. Plenty. Like I say, it's like Disneyland and a shopping mall collided.
I just want to point out that we are currently sitting on a little stage with loads of props. We're having this, obviously, little vlog. We're being watched by a lot of people.
I think you mean vlog, babe. It's definitely one of those places that's going to be booming in a few years. A lot of it is under construction. There's going to be plenty of things to do here. It's a huge complex. It's not just a shopping mall. There are loads of shops, plenty more shops that will be opening soon. You've got lots of educational facilities here, including a music class, an art class, and a Thai language class. There's quite a lot going on. And then you've got restaurants, cafes, the cutest 7-Eleven you will ever come across in the world. No word of a lie. Even James can vouch for that.
It was pretty cool, yeah.
Exactly. And that's literally down the road from here as part of the complex. We've got the Slurpee to prove it. There are plenty of things to do within this complex, plenty of things going on. You've got apartment blocks, offices, and stuff like that as well. So it's like a proper village. There's still a lot more to come, still a lot more to see in the future. But right now, it's still worth coming to because there are plenty of photo opportunities. And what you do have right now is incredible. It is literally like Disneyland was sprinkled over the shopping mall of this part of the complex. HAPPiTAT is quite literally a habitat. It's where a lot of people are going to be living. It's a huge complex. It's not just a shopping mall. And that's something I didn't realise before coming here. Yeah, overall, I'm quite impressed. And I'm pretty sure James is too.
I'm impressed, yeah. It's going to be good. It's going to be good when it's finished.
It will be very interesting to see this place in, like, I want to say a year or even 3 years from now. So maybe we'll look back on this and then revisit. Who knows? Then be sure to give us a thumbs up, comment down below on where you want to see next, and subscribe for more. In that case, I'll see you in the next video, hopefully at another amazing place in Bangkok. See you then. Bye for now.